Hello, my fly babies, my patrons, my lions. Today is our Patreon in Review video where I go over the videos that I made in this past week for the Patreon site where the patrons can watch. It's Patreon, and you are patrons if you are a member of the Patreon group. So these are the things that we talked about. On Monday, it was getting ready for back to school. So we talked about all the prep that you're going to be doing for that. On Tuesday, it was called Welcome to Our Home, where we talk about a little bit about Zone 1. On Wednesday, it was called The Tide of Clutter, and that's been a really good one for a lot of you. On Thursday, Be Mindful. It's a way to be tidy, being mindful. So I had a video on that. And the last one was Making Room and Saving Room. Making room and saving room. Can you imagine what that's about? All your things, where you're going to keep them. So those are the 5 videos I did for you. If you are not in the Patreon group and you'd like to join, it's very simple. Just go to patreon.com, or there's an app that you can put on your phone, and you can sign up to be a Patreon member or a patron of mine. It is $5 a month. That works out to a quarter or less per video. And I've just discovered a way to go live on Patreon for my patrons. So this week I'll be starting my first live just for Patreon. So I'm excited about that. All right, that's it for today. Have a fabulous day, and always remember to be beautiful, because you are beautiful.